All right, Ebusian 4. Okay, so morning query. Okay, Vidz hotel na wo no. Ahana Ahonjo query connected to Ahonjo Ponko runabout no. Ti Ponko runabout na ye head no. Hotel na wo ha no on side left no. Royal Golden Beam. Is it? I think it's Golden Beam. Yeah, Golden Beam Hotel. Golden Beam Hotel is on my left, as you can see. Oh, it's Golden Beam. Yeah, I was right. Beam. As in, it's B-E-A-N. Golden Beam. Yeah. It's a nice place, you know. Okay, I hope so one day, but now I be some kind of hotel review be inside. It is say they may head towards Ponko runabout, you know. It's rush hour, as you can see the time on my dashboard. I had Nhyiaeso. Okay. I had Nhyiaeso. Ti Ponko no na wo ya ni mo no ti ko na ko akofa ho na. Ti mo tu kwan ya che o na woni agina hanom a then says uhu we na woni be kan kakra woni beje. So this is how this place looks now. Ghana ye koyenim ye boy homo ne use krum ye boy no homo ne pa ye easy ti police force na wa ha ye o madwuma kama no onko no so na be san no ho akono. Okay, we so da bia igina haton kama so Timenim intentenso no sa wo behu a building kakraka na wo no friend the ark tina say ye kofa kwan na awtimi fa so de ko mo no Masi City Mall, yeah, sa kwan no na ya nam so say
I'm sorry that you had to fight this. But without me, I feel your pain. Mama said that
building, and then what you're right, you say, you know. No, you're one money. Traffic lights, and I say, now say, you know, me, a call here without stopping, you know. Yes, I need driver, traffic lights, and then any juma. My far bypass na me dey kwa kusi Atonsu. As I say, light out, traffic lights in Nhyiaeso. You know, say I see no nanka traffic lights, no. I was say who say traffic lights and I see who say I was say traffic lights in na solar. Yeah, because a idea a bit might cause a serious accident. I didn't think I said you like to do more. Like to do my traffic lights and Nhyiaeso. I was sending in I mean, I want backups, solar backups. Any question you free grid no so cry, but then I was say what solar backups. So I want to send a bear, say your accident to be to me. Atonsu first na traffic no what happen, but then on my Atonsu kwan na wie bus stops in the no, as you can see recently no mo ye ni na ha, but I'm not so happy about the construction because of the kind of metal na omode you know, the metals look soft and as a and sheda and stiff mame bend style it's not nice, but then it's a move. It's nice. It's all right. So I will applaud them for that. But I hope in the future, they will make better upgrades. It's on my point, even though traffic a crowd will move there, but then it's a face and cafes and I can mean hakra. Had a traffic lights in the edge, as you can see, traffic lights in the edge. Nhyiaeso. The person and the person who say Kumasi Airborne Homoding kakra. Airborne Homoding. That traffic lights will traffic's baby on my quite a traffics in the Swati. Atonsu bako. As you can see, a mudaho cafes and I catch the super mekai, but last year baby. I me far. I feel now me full. I saw red. Now traffic light is watching. See ready. Yam boko. They make good filling station here. We could so see. But then, glory be to God. You could see. It's me call. You got all lights. You got all. The China Mall. The one on my right. That's China Mall. To be so China Mall, you branch on your right and go to China Mall. And then the uncle never for China Mall. I'm over the Apostle. Atonsu Quine or no. Two quiet and I would say, if you think of Atonsu and you still think this place is as your left place, a higher well updated. You put your name. Traffic lights and also the Nhyiaeso that I make on traffic lights in our backups, solar backups. We are any bugu. She say a color. When you power being frame. Who name the crowd as well. You can create what you may branch out from left. It's in a hand. I mean, will be seen there. Therefore, from my promise of China money, golden bee. All right. Kindly subscribe and like, share, comment, whatever you want to do with this video. All right. Thank you so much.